To find your lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy S26, all you need to do is ensure that you have access to a browser on whatever device you want to use, whether it's a friend's phone or even just your laptop. And you want to type in Samsung find.samsung.com. Then just select search, and it should bring you to the official website that allows you to search for any lost or stolen Samsung devices. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your account, so go ahead and sign in. Ensure that you're using the exact same account that's currently on your lost Galaxy S26. And then from here, agree to the account policies, terms of service, all sorts of things. And then tap on agree. And then tap on continue and select agree to Samsung Find. Now all you need to do is simply under the devices section, simply select your Galaxy S26 and it should pinpoint you to the location of your S26. So it's here currently on my map. You can always tap on ring like so, and then it will ring a sound on your S26 so that you can be able to find it. And then you can tap on more and you can even see more information. So if your phone has been stolen, you can tap on erase data to delete all of the data to avoid someone being able to access it. You can tap on extend battery until you find it, or you can set it to lost mode so that it protects your device while it's missing. And so that is how you can find a stolen or lost Samsung Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.